Hi, and welcome to EEsof. Today we have something very exciting for you, version 3.0 in action. Now version 3.0 is the first fully integrated high-frequency analog design software suite, the complete solution for microwave and RF engineers. During this video, you'll get a hands-on demonstration of EEsof's exciting new products, and before we're through, you'll have gotten a look at our linear and nonlinear simulation capabilities, our measurement and characterization software, as well as our graphical design environment.
We interrupt this program to bring you this special report. We take you now live to the EEsof newsroom.
EEsof, bringing you in-depth coverage of the microwave and RF world's most important issues. EEsof, bringing you the story when it happens, where it happens, if it happens. And now, live from EEsof Studios, here is our award-winning anchor team, Gene Scandlur and Ken Newman.
Welcome to this special EEsof report. And here with our top story is correspondent Ken Newman. Ken? It looks like I'll be reporting this. Today, the high-frequency analog world responded to EEsof's release of its long-awaited version 3.0. Around the world, microwave engineers reacted to this serious new breakthrough in their own quiet way. Well, it certainly looks like those engineers know how to party! Well, it's about time you showed up.
Sorry, Gene, I just got a little caught up in the celebration. Have you heard the news? Version 3.0 is out.
Yes, I think I might have heard something about that.
Well, you might not realize just how big a story that is, Gene. So I took the EEsof cameras to the street to ask people in the microwave and RF world how version 3.0 has changed their lives. Excuse me, sir, as an engineer, how has version 3.0 changed your life?
Huh? Excuse me, I'm the engineer. Lunch Tuesday, we'll talk.
Okay, great.
Well then, as an engineer, how has version 3.0 changed your life?
Well, thanks to Academy, which gives me a graphical design environment focused on microwave engineering, Libra, which allows for non-linear steady-state frequency domain simulation, and Omnisys for microwave RF system simulation, hey, my life is just one exciting design after another.
In what way?
Well, it's all integrated, which means everything is in one system. No problem getting data from one tool to the next. And the hierarchy, oh, very slick. Device and component data from Extract and Anacat goes straight into circuit simulators. Microwave Spice and Libra data, straight into Omnisys. Makes my job easier, which means I can build a better product. And that means recognition.
Oh, there he is! I can't believe it! It's him! Oh, this is incredible! Sir, can I have your autograph, please? Oh, please, come on, can I have your autograph? You know, I loved your paper on dispersion characteristics and broadband coplanar structures. It was the most incredible thing I've ever read. Please, can I...
Excuse me, sir. I understand you're an engineering manager. Can you tell us what kind of impact version 3.0 has had on you? Are you kidding? It's improved my product reliability. It's reduced my time to market. And you won't believe this. We can actually optimize, and increase manufacturing yield. And all of this on my computer platform of choice. Version 3.0 translates to the bottom line. Profits are up, and my CEO worships the ground I walk on. Really? Sure, ask him yourself.
I worship the ground he walks on.
Excuse me, sir. I understand you're in marketing.
Yes, but I'm on my way to a very important business meeting right now, and...
Yeah, one quick question. The whole microwave and RF world is talking about EEsof's version 3.0. What is your opinion from a marketing perspective?
Version what?
Well, there you have it. We've talked about the features and benefits of version 3.0. Now let's look at how version 3.0 helps tie everything together. Here's our EEsof science editor with a special report on software integration. Doctor?
Now, if you're using Libra version 2.1, then you'll also be using Microwave Spice 1.3. Of course, if you're using Microwave Spice 1.3 with your Libra 2.1, it's also necessary to use Anacat 2.0. Then you'll also want to run Omnisys 1.1 and tie it together with Academy 1.05, thus necessitating the need for EMSIM version 1.0, Extract 1.2, Microwave Spice 1.3, eSyn version 2.1, Touchstone 2.1, FET Library 1.3, VJT Library 1.0, MyCAD
Doctor?
2.0.
You may not be aware of this, but now that version 3.0 is out, it's really the only one you need.
Really? Oh.
In a related story, EEsof announced that they are breaking the barriers of RF design automation by offering RF engineers their own integrated software tools. To that end, they have introduced J Omega, and now I'd like to introduce him to you. Welcome, Mr. Omega.
Hey, just call me Jay.
Well, Jay, I must say for such a dynamic addition to the EEsof family, you seem pretty subdued.
Well, let's just say I'm a low-frequency kind of guy.
Well, I can see that. Why don't you tell us about some of your features?
No problem. Dig this. If you want your design to come out real fine, it's time to open that throttle. 'Cause Jay has got what others have not. I'm talking about an RF model. Have you got another requirement? I got an integrated environment. Are you tired of playing the field? Let me maximize your yield. Are you filled with futility? I'll up your circuit's reliability and tune in to this final articulation. You can check out your circuit layout in mid-simulation.
Well, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
But in the RF world, time to market is critical. You don't seem like you could move very fast.
Oh, really? You want to see my harmonic balance simulator analyze, tune, and optimize any linear or non-linear RF circuit?
Sure.
You want to see it again?
An impressive entry into the RF market. And just one more example of how EEsof is growing. But many people out there are asking, just who is EEsof? Can they provide the support I need? Are they worldwide? Just how big a company are they? These photos reveal that while still a relatively young company, EEsof has managed to achieve a worldwide presence. In fact, you can find their training centers and applications engineers just about any place you look.
Version 3.0. We've talked to the man on the street. We've talked to the experts. Now it's time to go to the lab where an engineer and an engineering manager will tell us how they feel about version 3.0.
When I'm designing, I don't need no confusion. I gotta get me a complete solution. I look at my bottom line and I realize I need something to get my yield optimized. Design software don't rate unless it can integrate. I'm telling you, EEsof is where I want to go. Gotta get my hands on version 3.0. All you engineers, won't you listen to my story? With EEsof, you ain't gotta live in no laboratory. Now manufacturing is right on target, and I really like the look of our time to market. Now we won't be late, 'cause we can integrate. I'm telling you, EEsof is where I wanna go. Gotta get my hands on version 3.0. Design software don't rate unless it can integrate. I'm telling you, EEsof is where you gotta go to get your hands on version 3.0. To get your hands on version 3.0.
Well, whoever said microwave engineering was boring?
You did, Ken.
Well, I didn't mean it. That concludes this special report on EEsof's version 3.0 in action. We now return you to your regularly scheduled program.
Oh, you did say.
I know I did.
And finally, we see the expected degradation in bit error rate. So there you have it. I hope my presentation has been useful. However, there's much more that we'd like to show you. So please see my colleagues from EEsof to discuss with them your software needs. I know they'll be happy to answer any questions you have and tell you more about version 3.0. Thank you.
Get your hands on version 3.0.